Okay, so we are about to do a small duo gig, and we are going to be using the two Rockville Titan Towers as the main speakers, 1 and 2, and you're going to see the setup and how they sound. So hope you enjoy the ride. Here we're loading up all of the camera gear, all of the speakers, PA, mixer, all that good stuff. Now we're dropping off the baby and time lapse of setup. We did have a few hiccups here and there, and the keyboard was actually directly wired into the Bose system behind all the vocals, and the oboe went through the mixer and the Rockville.
Baby, you made me wrong. All I know is you made me right. You made me wrong, but you made me right. On the water looks so lovely. Sunshine almost always makes me high.
Under my very thumb, I get up hot and cold. I know, but I know, but I feel the earth move under my feet. I feel the sky come rolling down. I come rolling down. I feel the earth move.
'Cause I'm a rocket man. I'm a rocket man. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me round again to find
a stairway to heaven.
And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video. Full disclaimer, I took this video with both my cell phone and a Zoom Q8N 4K. That way you could get a bit of a range from the recording devices from both a cell phone and a professional mic. It's held up pretty well. The towers have. Again, I've only been using them lightly. And I stand by that they're a really good value for smaller venues. As you could see, it was not a big place, not a huge amount of people, not very noisy, and they worked perfectly, filled the room very well. So hope to see you guys soon, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you.